Does price matter when it comes to skincare? I got some answers. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming to learn about skincare and to get that beautiful musical dance number. If you're new to my channel, what's up? I am a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it really quick and easy. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That'll keep you up to date on my latest videos. And as always, let me know in the comments below if you have a burning skincare or makeup question. Alright guys, enough chit chat, let's get into it. The most important thing when it comes to a skincare product is the ingredients that are in it, the ingredients that make it what it is. So if this is your first skincare video with me, I love analogies, so let's get into one. We're gonna take macaroni and cheese. Now I love me some macaroni and cheese. We have got our Kraft macaroni and cheese in one corner and our 4-cheese truffled macaroni and cheese in this corner. So what is the main difference besides the price? Well, it's quality of ingredients. In our Kraft macaroni and cheese, we've got our bag of deliciousness that we're gonna mix together with butter and milk that we probably already have at home. In our truffled macaroni and cheese, we have got a lot of different ingredients and their prices are gonna range. What is the most important thing when it comes to macaroni and cheese? The cheese. Where did the cheese come from? Okay, did you get it from your local grocery store? Did you pick it up from your farmer's market? Did you make the cheese? And so many different price points within those options. So if cheese is the most important thing in a macaroni and cheese delicious pasta, the cost of the different ingredients that you choose to put inside of it are gonna completely range. It's the same thing when it comes to skincare ingredients. If you don't know this already, the list of ingredients on any product, whether it be makeup or skincare, the higher it is on the list, the higher percentage of that ingredient is in the product. So let's take, for example, we are having dry skin, irritated skin, our skin is flushing, it's red, we need to figure out how to calm it down, so we're gonna buy a moisturizer. So when you're looking for a moisturizer, you need to have the active ingredient that's gonna really make a difference. So for example, we've got chamomile, we've got cucumber, we've got rose, we've got aloe. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. There's so many different calming agents out there on the market, and different skincare companies create, their own mixture to help you calm and soothe and hydrate your skin, which is ultimately what you're looking for. A few weeks ago, I did a video with my friend Kana. She shared with me some of her favorite green beauty products. She recommended a brand called Osmia. They have a face cream, purely simple face cream, something like that. And in that product, the active ingredient is aloe. So what I did is I did a little Google search. I found a drugstore alternative to that product that the active ingredient is aloe as well. So let's take a look at the ingredient list and see how they line up. I've got them pulled up on my laptop down here, so I'm just gonna be looking down. The drugstore product that I found is from Garnier. It's the Skin Active 3-in-1 moisturizer. The first ingredient on the Garnier product is water. The second ingredient is glycerin. The third ingredient is your aloe leaf juice. Now that's not bad, it's in the top 5. And although it doesn't tell us what percentage of what is in the product, that's not a terrible place to be. Now our Osmia moisturizer, the difference is the first ingredient is the aloe vera leaf juice. As a side note, fragrance in skincare products is not regulated by the FDA. So every time you see it on your product list, it could literally be anything unless it says that it is derived from a natural origin. So if you have sensitive skin, you're ultimately trying to calm and soothe your skin, you might want to think about, not having fragrance or having fragrance down at the end of your list. Also, colors, dyes, things that make products smell good, feel good, look good, anything like that. You want to make sure if they do have those products that they're low on the ingredient list, because you don't want it to interfere with, the ultimate ending, which is calming and soothing your dry and irritated skin. Does that make sense? I know some high-end products with terrible ingredient lists, and I know some low-end products with great ingredients. So you really have to be an active advocate to know what you're putting on your skin, what you're putting into your body. Your skin is your largest organ in your body, so it's really important that you just are aware of what you're using and putting on your skin. So if you're like, Shannon, that is way too much research, that's why I am here. I'm here to help you guys figure out what is a good product and what is not. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'll be hanging out there with y'all and answering anything that you had to ask. Woo! Information. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more in this series. As always, more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at MakeupByShannonMarie. Hope you're having a killer week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.